Hello viewers, today I'm sharing with you a quick and easy recipe for the most delicious blueberry muffins. To start off, we'll need 1 stick or half a cup of butter unsalted, and then sugar. I do have all the ingredients listed in the description box. Go ahead and whisk your sugar and butter until the mixture is smooth and creamy. And remember to scrub your bowl occasionally as you're beating them so that everything is well mixed. When that's ready, add 2 eggs and continue beating again until the mixture is smooth and creamy, like so. And now you'll add 1 cup of plain yogurt. I'm using whole milk plain yogurt for extra richness, but you can use like non-fat plain yogurt too. Go ahead and beat that in until again the mixture is well combined. I think now we are done with beating, so scrub your bowl, and then we are going to add vanilla extract for a good aroma, and we're going to add lemon zest as well because this recipe is for lemon zest blueberry muffins. So mix those in, and now you're ready to add your dry ingredients. So add in flour. I've already sifted my flour. It's 1 3/4 cups. Add in your baking powder and a little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and whisk those into the wet ingredient mixture. Just whisk until all the flour is absorbed into the batter and then stop. Do not overmix it. It's ready now. I've already tossed my blueberries in a little bit of flour so that they do not sink too much when I'm baking. So go ahead and add your blueberries to the batter and fold them in nicely with a spatula. You do not want to break them. Once they're evenly distributed, your batter is ready to go into the baking tins. But since we need a crumb topping, I'm going to be making crumb topping with some all-purpose flour, sparkling sugar. You could also use normal granulated sugar for this. I added 2 tablespoons, but this is a very flexible part which you can combine ingredients based on your preference. So I did 1/4 cup of flour and 2 tablespoons of sparkling sugar and some more lemon zest and a little bit of salt for taste. Mix those in and then add some unsalted butter that is soft. I ended up adding a little bit too much of butter, so my mixture became too soft, so then I needed to add a little bit more flour, and eventually I did attain the right texture. See, I added flour, but now I do have the right texture of crumbly topping for the muffins. So prepare your baking tin and then divide up the butter equally. It's enough for 12 cups. And then sprinkle every cup with enough crumb and go ahead and bake your muffins. And they are ready, so they look really beautiful, and we are gonna let the muffins cool a little before we enjoy them. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you one. I did break this before they cooled down fully, so they were a little more soft. Yeah, they were super soft on the inside, but I don't mind it. I was also kind of impatient to taste them. So these are very soft, but as they harden up, as they cool down, they're going to harden a little bit more. But yeah, that's what they look like. They are so soft and packed with moisture and so, so delicious. And they have a nice aroma to them. That is it. Before you go, please check out my books on Amazon, and I hope you can grab a copy. Thank you for your support. Also, thank you very much for stopping by. I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.